Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to remove a user from Jira using Atlassian administration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly and confidently revoke access for someone, whether you're managing team changes, cleaning up your user list, or just freeing up a license. Let's jump right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to admin.atlassian.com. This is the central hub for managing all your Atlassian users, and it's where you'll adjust user permissions for Jira and other Atlassian products your organization might use. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has administrative privileges. Otherwise, some of the options we'll look for won't be available. Once you're on the Atlassian administration homepage, take a quick look at the organizations displayed. If your company manages multiple organizations, say one for the entire business and another for a separate department or project, double-check that you're working inside the right one. Click on the organization that contains the user you want to remove. It's easy to rush through this step, but picking the wrong organization can lead to a lot of confusion later on, especially if users exist under similar names in different orgs. Now, look over to the left sidebar. You'll find a section called Directory, and under that, select Users. This is your command center for everyone who has access to your Atlassian tools. You'll see a full list of users here, which can be pretty long if your team is large. Atlassian provides search and filter options up top. Take advantage of these to quickly narrow down to the specific person you need. You can search by their name, email address, or filter by product access if you only want to see Jira users. It might take a moment if you're cleaning up a big list, but taking the time up front ensures you don't accidentally suspend or remove the wrong person. Once you've found the user's account, look to the right of their name for a small More Actions menu. This often appears as 3 dots or a small icon. Click there for additional options. Some folks miss this because it's easy to overlook, but it's where the powerful administrative actions are hidden. Now, you've got a choice. Do you want to suspend or permanently remove this user? If you just need to temporarily prevent someone from logging in, maybe they're on leave, or you need time to clarify whether they should retain access, select Suspend Access. This is a reversible action, and the user will still appear on your list, but they won't be able to sign in. If, however, you're sure this person no longer needs any access and you want to free up a license, choose Remove User. This will fully revoke their rights and immediately make that license available for someone else. Consider the consequences here. Suspended users can be easily restored, but removed users will need to be re-invited from scratch. After making your selection, Atlassian will show a confirmation dialog. Pause here for a second. Review the details to make absolutely sure you've got the right user and are performing the intended action. Mistakes here can cause headaches, so it's worth a quick double check. Confirm your action, and you're done. The user's access is updated instantly, and that's it. You've successfully managed user access in Jira. If this video helped, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into hiccups. Make sure you subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy administrating.